Today I'm making a really good chicken fajita pasta dish. This is so flavorful and creamy. You'll want to keep this recipe on repeat. What you'll need is half a box of rotini noodles, but as always you can swap rotini for any other noodle. I have about 9 chicken tenderloins, which is equal to about 3 chicken breasts. 1 cup of shredded cheese, 1 yellow onion, 3 bell peppers, any color will work, 1 packet of fajita seasoning, and 1 cup of alfredo sauce. I'm starting by boiling my noodles, and I'm only cooking half of the box. I'm tenderizing the chicken a little bit. This is optional. Now cutting my chicken strips into inch-sized pieces. I'll just add a little olive oil to my chicken and give that a good mix. Then I'm going to use half of the fajita seasoning to this, saving the other half for later. Cook the chicken on a medium heat. Prepare your bell peppers and onions. I'm cutting the peppers into strips, but making them even smaller would be easier to eat. When the chicken is cooked thoroughly, add the onions and peppers and cover this so that they can cook quicker. Stir this mixture every few minutes. I'm adding the remaining fajita seasoning and the cup of alfredo sauce, and I'm going to let this simmer for just a little bit longer. Add in your noodles and mix well. And lastly, you can add your shredded cheese and then serve. This is one of my favorite pasta dishes, and I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.